Here's a very detailed and lovely mid-19th century city plan of New York, Lower Manhattan, actually most of Manhattan, with Central Park shown in very nice detail with the paths through it and the layout and the design. Large portion of Brooklyn over here, Jersey City, and New Jersey on this coastline here on the Hudson River. The map has a decorative border. It's printed by Beers, and if we flip it over, we'll notice that down along the bottom here are some short, well done, like tissue paper repairs, just some edge splits, and there are a couple tiny, very minor little edge splits done, mended here with what appears to be archival tape. And when we flip it over, we see those short little tears are just, ever so slightly visible. If this were matted like so, they would essentially disappear. There are a couple small little stain marks here, which are minor and blend in visually. The overall appearance of the map is quite pleasing. It's got a nice age patina about it, and it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.